giant cloud. My parents are driving. They had music. I asked them to turn it off. Okay. This tornado. This doesn't look like a tornado. But I see that little tip right there. It's gonna head down. And then this is how a tornado falls. There's one cloud that gets involved in other clouds. Then it starts spinning. And then it just makes a tornado.